This is Bob. I'm 59 and live in Gary, Indiana. I can tell you this without question. Snore Saver saved my marriage. My wife was sick of my snoring, and I was sick of waking up exhausted every morning. In fact, we were arguing all the time because of it. Now, I tried other devices, but they were so uncomfortable. Snore Saver changed everything overnight. Without the snoring, both of us sleep much better. I don't feel tired all day long, and thank goodness our relationship is now back to happy again. I highly recommend Snore Saver. Seriously, if you snore, you need this product.